Okay, in this video I'll show you how we take the mold out. In the first video I showed you how to make the mold of the three little birds. So we take the wing nuts off. Then you gotta kind of pry that apart. Then when you get to this point, take a pair of pliers, pull out the brass rod. That frees up the mold. Push the mold out. Take off the brass cone. And because it had the powder between, you can peel this up and apart. So now we have the three birds here. Take out your birds. Just kind of flex the mold. Just like that. So now the next thing I'll have to do, and we'll do it in a separate video, is I got to cut where the sprues go up to the piece. We could have done it ahead of time by building a brass rods and actually soldering them to the birds, but I wanted to try it this way. But it's still very easy to do, and that will involve some birds with a flex shaft and very minimal scalpel use. We'll also take a scissors and cut this off, and then we'll end up with a nice mold that'll fit together, and it can be injected with wax. All right, thank you.